Before we wrap, what we like to do is share something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
So I went to the camera store this weekend. I sold a bunch of gear, trying to consolidate some of my gear. I always tell people, the more gear you have, the less you will shoot. I guarantee it. That being said, I keep buying more shit. I don't understand. But what I got,
How geeky is this one going to be?
This one's not bad. In order to help consolidate my gear, in order to help it keep it small, light, and something that I'm going to grab. I'm not going to carry my whole suitcase with me every time I go somewhere. But I just got this little bag. It is from Peak Design. It's called their Everyday Sling 6L. Holds a couple lenses. But I just got 3 new small little light lenses that I'm going to throw in here. And when it's time to take the kids to the park, I'm just going to grab this. When it's time to go to a meeting where I can take some photos, I'm going to just take this. So keeping it small, keeping it light, not having everything I own with me, hopefully will encourage me to take some more photos.
There you go.
How geeky was that?
That's not too bad. Cool. As long as you don't hang a cell phone around your neck like a necklace, we're good.
I'm finding uses for it. Shut up.
Sometimes you got it like on the YouTube video. You just got to like stitch in this stupid thing around his neck.
Did we ever get behind the scenes?
It's like Mr. T with a cell phone. Like it's like the camera version of Mr. T.
I pity the fool. That's fine.
All right, cool. What I want to share with you guys is something I've been obsessing over Gmail lately. And what's funny is this is something that actually came out many years ago. I think it was like 9 years ago this came out, and it never took off. But I effing love this. It's called Priority Inbox for Gmail. It's free. And what it does is it just allows you a better organizational system versus what Gmail has, where it has like normal promotion spam. It now has important and unread. It has starred, and it has everything else, and then read down at the bottom. And it breaks it into 4. Well, you could choose what you want, but those are the 4 that I use. So what's great is when I log in, it just shows me my 10 most recent important messages at the top. It blocks out everything else. Just what are the 10 most recent things that came in that are important? How does it decide if it's important? You train it. So as messages start coming in or emails start coming in, you tick a little box. Yes, this is important. No, this is not. Yes, no, yes, no. And it learns over time what's important to you. It also, like, if somebody sends you something that wasn't important and you respond, it realizes that probably was important. So next time it comes in, it'll mark it important. It's like OG machine learning before anybody talked about machine learning. So it's really cool. But that way, I only see the important stuff at the top. Then it also has a starred section. So as I'm blazing through emails, sometimes I have ones that I don't have time to answer in the moment, but I need to come back to them a little bit later. I'll star them, and it'll just move it into that starred section. So that's kind of like my secondary section that I need to look at. And then everything else is down there. I think I've got like 500,000 emails in that everything else section because those are ones that are just not important to me. So I don't see them. They're literally below the fold. I don't even see them. Out of sight, out of mind. I don't get distracted by cat videos and Viagra ads. Like, I don't have to see any of that stuff. So
just so you know, I like cat videos. The Viagra ads wasn't a dig at me. I just want to make sure that's very clear. Carry on.
Okay. So Priority Inbox, it's just fantastic. There's a YouTube video. If you just go on and type Gmail Priority Inbox, it'll explain how it works. But I'm a giant fan, and it's freaking free. It works so well to stay organized with your email. So that's what I got for you on the Whissel Widget of the Week. Hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. I want to thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast.
See you guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.